Hey, it's time for breakfast. Let's see. What flavor should I have? I did chocolate mint for breakfast yesterday. Root beer. We are making the shrimp. We're making a lot more than the recipe calls for because we have a lot more people. We don't have green onions, so we're just making regular onions. There you go. Miriam's over here making avocado. Looks like you missed the 30 seconds the avocado was ripe.
Unfortunate, because it's only 2 avocados left.
We do have some guacamole.
I guess that'll
work.
A little bit like avocado.
Here's Miriam's. It was empty Mountain Dew bottle. Now it has water in it.
It is
yeah.
It's water. Yeah. But this is all the insides of the shrimp tacos.
Yep.
And then we used this press and made some tortillas also.
Nice.
It's almond flour and coconut flour, and I don't remember. Haley, what else is in the recipe?
There's baking powder.
Is this Maria's recipe?
Xanthan gum.
No.
It's not the dairy-free one. It was just
Oh, okay.
down that was the keto one. Xanthan
Oh, okay.
gum, baking powder, almond flour and coconut flour, and water.
Okay.
And 2 eggs. Yeah.
And a rat.
But this works so flippin' good.
I had really good reviews on Amazon, so.
Yes. And we just got, I don't know if this came with it. Do these come with it?
I don't know.
I just happened to find them in our kitchen.
Oh, they were already cut
Little
up?
parchment papers. Like, I think it came with
Okay.
it actually.
Okay.
So it fits really good in there.
Okay. Awesome sauce.
Yeah.
Miriam's throwing away stuff.
Yeah.
So here we go. There's the shrimp tacos. A little bit different than the recipe because
We're out of green onions and the cucumber froze.
and frozen cucumbers just doesn't work.
Yeah, so we gave those to the chickens.
And yeah, so there you go.
And also the avocado's brown, so it may or may not be delicious.
Yeah, Max will probably still eat it.
I haven't noticed.
No.
It's fine.